Hello dear follower of Mwalimu Theophil Academy, you're home welcome again for this session. In this session we'll take you through verbs normally not used in ing form. These are the verbs in which you're not allowed to add ing form to mean that they are in the present continuous tense. Here, these verbs are categorized in various groups. The category number 1 are the verbs showing feelings or state of mind. Examples of these verbs are like desire, want, wish, fear, like, dislike, believe, care, love, hate, hope, imagine, refuse, forgive, etc. We have examples of sentences showing these verbs being used having ing form, meaning that in incorrect form and the correct way of speaking them. Number 1, it is incorrect to say, I am hating you. So don't say I'm hating you. Instead, say, I hate you. Number 2, it is incorrect to say, we are wishing you a good day. Instead, say, we wish you a good day. Sentence number 3, it is incorrect to say, she is wanting to go home. Instead, say, she wants to go home. So, don't say, she is wanting to go home. Instead, say, she wants to go home. Number 4, don't say that, I am loving you. I am loving you. Instead, say, I love you. I love you. After that, let's see a second category of verbs. In the second category, we are talking about verbs showing mental process such as know, mind, remember, forget, understand, etc. We have examples of sentences in which you are not allowed to add ing to any of these verbs. For example, sentence number 1. Don't say that he is knowing her. He is knowing her. That is incorrect one. Instead, say he knows her. He knows her. Sentence number 2. It is incorrect to say that I am remembering your words. Don't say I am remembering your words. Instead, say that I remember your words. I remember your words. That is a third category of verbs in which you're not allowed to add ing to mean present continuous form are, we have the verb showing possession. Examples of these verbs are such as own, belong to, have, contain, possess, etc. We have these examples of sentences. Sentence number 1. Don't say that I am owning 2 houses. It is wrong. Instead, say I own 2 houses. The next example, don't say that it is belonging to him. You will be wrong. Instead, say it belongs to him. After that, I hope you have understood well on the verbs normally not used in ing form. If you have enjoyed the lesson, make sure that you subscribe so as to get updates whenever we upload any video in this channel of Mwalimu Theophil Academy. Thank you. Have a nice moment.